Before you begin, remove the service door. Battery. Wireless WAN module. Solid-state drive. Fan. And system board. Removal. Remove the 2.5 mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the fingerprint reader board bracket to the top cover. Remove the fingerprint reader board bracket from the retention tabs on the top cover. Remove the fingerprint reader board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the top cover. Remove the fingerprint reader board from the cutout in the top cover. Reverse this procedure to install the fingerprint reader board.